What is good, my people? Welcome back to the journey. First off, I want to ask, how was this week? This week was very, very hectic for me. So I want to know how this week went for you. You can just put that in the comment section. And this week was very, very. I would explain better in the course of the video, but I want to just say that this week is the kind of week that if you're not strong mentally, this week had the ability to make me give up. Okay, so if you went through this week, or if you had the kind of week that I had this week, and you are not like mentally strong, you would give up. All right. This week was a very, very stressful week for me, emotionally, psychologically, work wise. This week was very, very crazy. So this week I took five five trades. I took five trades this week. Um and all the trades were losses. Why were they losses? Now these losses were not because of me. It was not because of my mistake. It's not, again, I don't even think it's my strategy mistake or my strategy stuff. I don't think that's the issue. The issue was that this kind of week is that week in the market whereby the market would want to test you. Okay, it should really, really want to get on your nerve. It would want to make you give up. I had five trades this week and I lost the whole five. I would explain the whole thing that happened. I got everything right. I got the direction right. Um I got everything right. The entry was on point. It was just on Tuesday I over traded because I was going through shit. Or it was just like one extra trade. I was like, I just took two trade because I was very, very certain price will move in that direction. And price did move in that direction, but then it stopped me out. Okay. Also, this week I lost my Telegram account, my Telegram channel, not my Telegram account. Sorry, my Telegram channel. Um, I've been building that Telegram channel like for the longest now, and for some reasons, Telegram blocked it. I don't know why. I don't know what I did, but yes, they blocked it or they banned the account. I don't know I don't know the term to use, but they shall locked the account. And I know we are not much there, but then I kind of like treat that account really, really precious because, or that channel, why am I saying account? That channel really, really precious because um I don't know. I've been posting there for a while now and I'm beginning to enjoy it. And then they just took it all of a sudden. Bam. So this week I was really down. It just felt like I was wasting my time, or I've wasted my time. But like I said, this week is one of those weeks whereby it could make you give up if you look at it very well. But then I can't give up now. I cannot give up now. All right, I can't give up now. What happened this week could make anybody switch strategies. It would make anybody. If I was this close to switching strategies this week. You get, I was this close because it was really frustrating. I'll tell you what happened, but it was really, really frustrating. But I was this close, this little, like very, very close to switching strategies this week, which would have ended me in another cycle of doom. That is, switch strategy. This strategy works, and then you take few losses, and then you switch again. You go to the next one. You get switch. Go to the next one. You work for a while. It did not work for a while. Once you just stop working, you go and switch to another one. This week is that kind of week that would have made anybody switch strategies. So I find I found that out on time, and I was like, the market is just trying to test me. Clearly, It's just trying to test me. Nothing is wrong. My strategy is not bad. I back test almost every time. Yet it's not really. Anyways, this week was just one of those weeks, and I'm glad the week is actually done. And I'm glad I came out victorious. Yeah, this week has been really stressful. Anyways, I've opened a new Telegram though, and I'm glad the week is really, really over. Right. So let's come back to what really happened this week. So this week, I'm gonna start from Monday. On Monday, I took a trade, and the trade was a losing trade, and that was because I kind of did not look at the overall internal direction, and that was my fault really. That was my fault really. On Monday trade was really my fault. But on Tuesday, I got everything right because I reflect every single day after like a trading day. You get so on Tuesday, I came into the market, I did the same thing. My strategy, everything was on point, entry was on point, and I entered, and then the market did what it would do, went up a little bit, and then came back down to stop me out. And Tuesday, I had kind of like I was quite emotional on Tuesday, not because of trading. I'm way beyond that. That's not the issue. I had external issues, so I kind of like over traded. I just used trading as like an outlet, and I did what I did, and then I just needed to go long, and I did go long, and then price stopped me out again. And guess what? Making after price stopped me out, price went to my direction. Okay, I was really pissed, but I was fine after journaling. Um, and I took responsibility. So yeah, that's a lesson you need to take actually. Take responsibility. And you find out the moment you just take responsibility, everything will just be fine. I did that, and then I came back on Wednesday, and Wednesday did the same thing, followed my rules, followed everything. Guess what? Price took me out with lead to like one pip, and price went to my direction. Thursday, the same thing. Price took me out. Tinini went to my direction. Guess what? On Friday, the same thing. Price took me out with a little pip and went to my direction. You see, on Thursday, I had the intention of switching things up, like switch my strategy and everything because any normal trader that is not psychologically strong will do that. Okay. But then I come to that level in my career where I realized that that would just end you in a loop, guy. That would literally end you in a loop. And I've been in there before. I've been in that loop before. I literally wasted, I think, a year, close to a year in that circle, and it's a very, very bad thing. You don't want to go there. Okay. In case you are there, that you switch strategy up and down. See, the key to leaving that place is sticking to one strategy, whether you lose, win, lose. Just be. I don't know if anybody here watches Way Up, but you see the way he just sticks to strategy, even if it's not working right now, and just do like that, you'll be fine. Okay, but make sure your strategy works. But just be like that, yeah, and you'll be fine. Because that cycle of doom, that will waste most trader time. That cycle of seeing shining object and then going there, seeing shining object going there, it will waste your time, and you will not know until it's too late. Okay, so yeah, this week messed me up. This week, all my profits for last week, I lost everything this week. Hmm? But I manage my risk very well. That I give that one to myself. I used to say to my videos a lot, but I know I'm a very, very good risk manager. I, handle that one very well. Mm, but like we're still down on the account, and it's quite sad. Okay, but then this week proved to me that I can overcome anything, and I can do anything I want to do if I put my mind to it. If I say, okay, I'm not diving away from here, I'm not diving away from here. I can actually do that. I can be that, and you too can be that if you truly want this. Okay, this week the psychological damage this week had cost me. If I can pass through this week, then I can pass through any week. Really, I can pass through any week, and I know that. Okay, I didn't switch my strategy this week. Kudos to me. I managed my risks this week. Kudos to me. Don't mind me. I'm trying to be optimistic here. I'm not trying. See, as much as life can be very crazy, always be positive in a lot of things, because if the moment you bring in negative energy, you realize that it's taken from you instead of trying to push you forward. Okay, so let's look at the good thing I did this week and the one mistake I made this week. That was on Tuesday, which I reflected on it. That was just over trading one time, and I've learned from it. But then apart from that, I stuck to my rule throughout this week. Okay, I did everything right. Anyways, my account still survived. Um, but I did take some pretty bad losses this week. But yeah, my account survived either ways, and I'm grateful. Anyways, I've opened another Telegram channel yesterday. I'm here to find out what happened to the last one, but I opened another one yesterday. The link will be in the description. Um, if you're part of the last one, you can join. So what I literally do is kind of like put in my trades there. So if before I enter any trade, so this is it here. When I wake up in the morning and I look at the chart and I just see what I want to see, I kind of like send it to the group first. And when I'm in the trade, I update you guys. As long as I'm on my desk, I do that. But if I'm on my phone, I can't really. If I'm not like on desk, I'll just have to update you guys on the maybe on the road or something. Like I'll just take a screenshot of my screen when I'm with the trade already, and then just give you guys updates. But that's what I literally do there. I try to provide as much value as I can. So if you're not there, you can join right now, like right now. And let's just be optimistic for next week and anticipate next week, because next week is going to be good. Next week is going to be great. And for the record, I did record my trades, every single thing that I took this week, like the usual style where I do it day by day, by day by day by day. But then for some reasons, I just felt like talking today. I'm still giving you guys the updates, but I just felt like talking. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I just wanted to talk. You know, yeah. So the videos are there. I don't think I'll be posting it, but then I would still. So the videos are there. But I didn't post it. I didn't. I've started editing it already, but I'm not going to post it at the end of the day. So it'll just be on my laptop. Anyways, we move again next week. We'll come back stronger and better. I'm going to be doing a lot of back testing this week, not to change my strategy again. Just trying to see what's happening, and we'll be fine. All right. Yeah, we move again next week, and I'm gonna catch you guys on next week episode. This is episode 5. Yeah. So next week we're gonna see. Yeah. If you're new here, like and subscribe. My name is CG, and what I do here is quite simple. I document my trades every week, and I'm documenting my journey to a millionaire in dollar. Okay. And it to happen. I can feel it. Like I can literally feel it. It's just right here. Like just here. I just need to work a little bit harder and I'll get it. Okay. I can see it. I can feel it. I don't just have it right now. It's here. Okay. So I will see you guys next week. Ciao.